It was a busy day at the Capitol as the floor action deadline looms over state legislators. 12 News' Richard Lake joins us now live from the Capitol and breaks it all down for us. Richard?
Well, everything from aiding rural hospitals to even the contamination of the Pearl River was addressed today as legislators here at the Capitol push for one final high-profile legislation. Senate Bill 2372 was passed unanimously as it aims to create a grant program for Mississippi's struggling hospitals. As the bill heads to the House, the amount of money in those grants is still yet to be determined. Also in the Senate, a bill that would restore the ballot initiative process passed. Senate Bill 2638 has drawn criticism as the bill requires for the legislature to approve any initiative approved by voters, as well as difficult signature requirements.
The legislature cannot be involved.
It has to be an accessible process. The people have to be able to use it. We've got to negotiate and show them in good faith that we're giving them a process that is as close as possible to the process that they had for 30 years.
In the House, a bill that could fine the city of Jackson up to $1 million for the contamination of the Pearl River was passed. Representative Becky Curry believes not enough is being done to ensure the cleanliness of the river amidst ongoing federal involvement. The EPA and the Mississippi Department of Environmental Quality have had a federal consent decree monitoring the pollution of the river since 2012.
My bill does not take over anything, but it says that if you continue to put your sewage in the Pearl River, that you will be fined up to $1 million.
Jackson Representative Zakiya Summers offered a successfully adopted amendment that allows for any city to be fined if violations occur.
What's good for the goose is good for the gander. If we're going to do it for one city, we should do it for any city that's making these violations, because it's wrong and it puts the public health at risk.
Also in the House, House Bill 370 was defeated through a bipartisan vote. Well, House Bill 370 was authored by Jackson Representative Shonda Yates, and that bill would have created a pathway for municipal officials to be removed from office. It faced a lot of pushback, especially from Democratic lawmakers, as they aimed that it was targeted at Jackson Mayor Chokwe and Tar Lumumba. I'm Richard Lake reporting live from the Capitol for 12 News.
Also at the legislature, the state Senate passed a bill this week creating a program to allow armed and trained teachers in Mississippi schools. Senate Bill 2079 by Angela Bergs Hill would create a firearms training and licensure program for teachers in public and private schools that they choose to participate. The teachers would have to have a state enhanced gun carry permit in addition to the training and certificate from the new program. It passed the Senate 39-13 and now awaits consideration in the House.